It's Caleb here, and in this episode, I want to show you Blue's Helicopter Rescue. This set is a pretty good set, and it comes with Blue the Velociraptor, Owen Grady, Ken Wheatley, and a pilot. Also comes with a really nice helicopter, a really nice printed dinosaur, pretty cool quad, 6-stud shooter, and a searchlight. Oh, and most of all, a cage to capture Blue. So, let's start off with the dinosaur. Here you have Blue the Velociraptor. He has pretty good printing. Nice striped pattern on it, and mouth opens, leg move, arm moves, and head can tilt side to side. Really good Velociraptor. Ken Wheatley, tranquilizer, tooth. Owen Grady, crossbow, backpack, and he has 2 expressions, a happy face, which I showed you, and a mad face. Then you have the pilot, 1 facial expression on him. He comes with a tranquilizer gun too. And one really cool thing about the helicopter in the set is the play feature, which you can just spin with your finger, and the rotor and the rotor will actually spin. You got your 6-stud tranquilizer, which you can spin around, shoot a bunch of ammo off of, and on the other side you have a searchlight. In order to put your pilot in, you simply open the cockpit of the helicopter like this. Here, let me just do that. You just take this top bit off. Camera's not in focus. Get it to focus. Okay, and you have a Jurassic World logo on the top of that. One big old blue body piece and another transparent blue piece. You can just slide your pilot in, but before you do that, you must turn the helicopter around. And if you look in the back, there's a little cargo hatch, not hitch, sorry. You got this little thing, which you can just put an egg into. You can see. And in order to put the guys in, you're going to want to put your tranquilizer gun in it. Grab Ken Wheatley's tranquilizer gun. Put that in. Attach it back onto the back of the helicopter. Put the pilot in the cockpit seat. Put the lid of the copter back on. And slide Ken Wheatley into the seat. You could put Owen in, but I would suggest not to, because Owen wouldn't ride in the helicopter because he's trying to rescue Blue and they're trying to capture Blue. So now the helicopter's all loaded up like that, and now you can try to lure Blue into a cage by opening the cage like this. Blue will see the piece of poultry on and run inside of it. That's when you and that's when you shut the sides up, and you can see on the top of Blue's little cage there's a hook. Well, on the back of this helicopter there's also a hook. You just slide that down from the back, pick up Blue. Oh, wait, the back of the helicopter fell off, sorry. Pick up Blue like this, and you can keep your rotor spinning throughout the whole thing. So it just gives that effect to it, and take Blue away. Now, Owen in the set doesn't want that to happen. So what you're going to do is you're going to load Owen into the quad bike. Owen can use his crossbow to try to shoot at the helicopter and maybe shoot the gas or something and bring the helicopter down. Rescue Blue. And then in his quad bike, there's a little thing in the back. So after he has took that down and he has rescued Blue, he also can save this little egg from the back of the thing by opening that up and putting that egg in the back of that thing. Now, Owen and Blue can go off into the sunset or whatever. And this set is good for play value, good for collectors who want to just display the copter, and for people who want to collect new dinosaurs. This isn't the greatest of all sets because Blue the Velociraptor does come in another set in the series. So, yeah, but anywho, for people who are not going to get the set, the Big Tour set, this is a perfect set, and I would 100% suggest it. Anyway, I hope this video was entertaining and informative to you. Anywho, hope you have a nice day, and bye, guys.